Next for you, as cyber attacks are on the rise, it's important to watch out for the top frauds that you could fall victim to. Are you living in a state that is most likely to be hit by a fraud? Would you even know it? Well, Kurt the CyberGuy Knutsson has the top 5 frauds and the 5 states that are most at risk for these scams.
The rise in online crime is staggering, spiking 233%.
Cyber attacks are helping hackers steal money and personal information nationwide.
With fraud on the rise, these are the top 5 fraud attacks on our radar. The biggest threat list starts with account takeovers. That's where criminals hijack access to one or more of your accounts and then shut you out. Second worst are social engineering scams. They're designed to trick you into trouble, according to a FeedSci study that examined 18 billion online transactions.
An example of a social engineering attack is a hacker sending a text to convince you there is malware installed on your device, and for a fee, they can remove it.
Purchase scams, impersonation scams, and smishing scams, that's a social media phishing attack, round out the riskiest online fraud.
These online scams are hitting devices across the U.S., but some locations should have users more worried than others.
2 of the riskiest are New York and Washington, D.C., and the worst, the state of Florida. Where is it safer? The least amount of fraud comes from Nebraska, Iowa, and Wyoming.
Here are the CyberGuy's tips to help you avoid these fraudsters.
Don't click a trick. If you did not ask for it, don't click it in text, email, or on social media. Keep your phone, tablet, and computer updated with the latest operating software, and by all means, lock up your tech with the latest antivirus protection. If a text, call, or post sounds urgent or too good to be true, don't be tempted by what's likely a trick toward trouble.
To learn more about how to protect your information and devices from potential fraud, head to cyberguy.com.